What's up, guys? This is Nate with Mud Digger Off-Road, and I'm finally able to sit down or stand up and bring to you guys the install video for our 2017 to 2022 Super Duty tailgate cap. So anybody that's owned any of these trucks and actually worked them for a decent amount of time has probably discovered that the plastic step cap on top of your tailgate is just not really built to handle what the rest of the bed does. So what we did, and this is actually version 2 of our step cap. This one is slightly adjusted, oversized to make sure the release button is centered in this hole. And this is everything that is going to come in the box. So you're going to have the step cap itself. This is obviously the raw finish. We do this for availability if you guys wanted to do like a paint match or a color match or powder it something other than just a standard flat black. But for demonstration purposes, this is the raw step cap. So the backside, and then it's got this one bend along this top side here that wraps around the top and allows for nothing when you're sliding anything out of the bed to grab it and rip it off, which is the most common fail point of the plastic cap itself. So in the box, you're going to have your step cap. If you did opt for the aluminum overlay, we do have those available as well. How the overlay sits, this one is actually for version 1, so it doesn't line up perfectly, but you'll get the gist of it. Sits on top there, just gives it a little bit of traction if you're ever stepping on it with muddy boots, a wet surface, anything like that. You're going to have your bolts, nuts, and washers hardware bag and your rivet hardware bag. Depending on the fastener color that you choose, black is the most popular. It kind of just blends right in with the tailgate, and 90% of the time with the black tailgate cap. But this is all that's going to come in the box, other than some business cards. A lot of times we do like to throw a couple extra hardware for the screws and nuts, as well as the rivets, just because everybody knows how that goes. You lose one, you mess one up. We install these products here as well, so we know kind of what the common issues are. So we try to help out as much as we can. And the nice thing about this version 2 for the step plate is anybody that has purchased version 1, so that is everything that has been sold or purchased prior to April 26th, is eligible for a replacement. So I know we had a lot of fitment issues with version 1. Anybody that had fitment issues with version 1, give us a call, reach out to us, either email sales@MudDiggerOffroad or give us a call at 910-915-9436. Let us know that you had fitment issues with version 1 on the step plate, and we'll go ahead and we'll get you added to the next production run of the version 2, and we'll get that swapped out, no cost to you whatsoever. So hop on with me. We're going to do an install tutorial on this real quick. We had a lot of questions with that as well. So we're going to walk through and install. And if you guys have any questions about anything at all, we can do custom designs on the overlay. We can do custom powder coats. So if you have any questions at all, just reach out and hang on. We're going to work through the install tutorial here real quick. All right, so we are out here at one of the trucks that we're going to be doing an install on these caps. So forgive the mess. We're kind of in the back of the yard here at the moment. So we've got our tailgate cap, our hardware bag with screws, nuts, and washers, and our rivet bag. Once again, yours might not be black. They might be silver, just depending on what you opted when you checked out on our website. So obviously, first step is you're going to want to drop the tailgate, and you're going to need an Allen key and either a 7/16 or an 11 mil open-ended wrench. That is all you're going to need for install. So first off, most of y'all's trucks will have already removed themselves for the plastic tailgate cap that sits here. But if yours is still attached, all it is it has a couple plastic clips. It just pops right off. So you can go ahead and slide this tailgate cap or the tailgate step out about 3/4 of the way here. You're going to take your step plate and you're just going to set it right there. it should sit pretty centered around your release button, and it should kind of hang out there at the moment. Let's go ahead and open up our hardware bag. You're going to have 4 screws, 4 washers, and 4 nuts. So now the reason you're probably asking is, why is there only 4 screws and 14 holes? Reason is we had to have a securement system for the overlays for the guys that wanted to run the aluminum overlays. So for simple install, you're going to be putting bolts in the 2 second-most outer row of holes. So we've got 1, 2, and 3, 4. The rest of these will get rivets after the tailgate cap has been secured. So let's go ahead. We'll do one side at a time here. Stick your bolt in. You'll see them poking through. You're probably not going to be able to see real great on camera, but you'll see the 2 sticking through there. Throw a washer on, and then a nut on each one. Okay. See super great, but you might be able to see it in there. Gonna look like that. And then the exact same on the other side. And these are really the only 4 holes in the factory step that have enough clearance to run bolts. And trust me, with these 4 bolts, it is 100 times more secure than the factory plastic cap ever wanted to be. So screws through there, washers and nuts. We will go ahead, center that. There is a little bit of adjustment side to side. Stick your open end wrench on that nut. Tighten down the upper. Same thing on the opposite side. Now you have your functioning cap. So now that's with that cap installed. You can see we've got 2 mounting bolts on either side. Follows the contour of the truck bed. This tailgate has lived a very hard life, so just ignore all the scratches and dents there. And then what you're going to do with the rivets, the reason we went rivets is because you can't get to the back side of the other 10 holes to stick a nut on there, but the rivets match the diameter of these button head screws very nicely, so you really can't even tell that they're rivets when they're next to the button head screws. If you have the overlay, obviously these screws are going to go through the overlay as well, but that's pretty much it, guys. So batch number 2 will be leaving here. They'll start shipping on April 30th. So like I said before, if you have any questions, if you were a version 1 buyer and you had fitment issues or just not 100% happy with the product, shoot us an email or give us a call and we'll get a version 2 sent out to you ASAP. So I appreciate the business. The link for the product is in the description below. And as always, if you support what we do, we always appreciate a like and subscribe. So hang on.